Bolt versus Lovable versus VO. So which AI app builder is the best? So let's find out. Let's go to their speed of development. Bolt is extremely fast for developers, which offers instant code generation and previews, while Lovable automates the process more for non-developers, while VO strikes a middle ground by letting you generate apps, but you can still fine-tune the code. And now let's go to their ease of use. Lovable is beginner friendly with a clean UI and zero coding required, while Bolt caters to developers who are comfortable reading and editing the code. And VO is slightly more technical than Lovable but less intimidating than Bolt. And now let's go to their customizability. Bolt can give you full control of the generated code, which allows deep customization for developers, while VO also provides editable outputs, but it's more guided. And Lovable prioritizes simplicity over advanced set editing. You can just type your prompt here and then there's your website. And now let's go to their integrations and ecosystem. Bolt integrates well with GitHub and popular frameworks, making it ideal for developer workflows, while Lovable supports key integrations for businesses like Stripe and authentication systems, and VO integrates with OpenAI and other LLM APIs, making it strong for AI-driven apps. And now let's go for their pricing. Lovable tends to be the most affordable for small businesses, while Bolt is priced for professional developers, and VO offers flexible plans depending on your API usage. So, for final verdict, you can choose Lovable if you're a business owner that looks for speed and simplicity, and you can choose Bolt if you are a developer who wants full control. And lastly, you can go for VO if you want a balance of AI powered generation with editable outputs. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.